Samantha Reinhardt here with Intero. I'm sitting down with Kim Pratt with American Home Shield to talk about home warranties. I have a lot of people that have asked what they are and exactly how they work.
Perfect. Yeah, I'm so excited to be here today. Hey everyone, Samantha. So yeah, let's dive into it. I know that home warranty can be a little bit confusing because there's homeowners insurance too. So let's talk about the differences and hopefully clarify some questions.
Yeah, definitely. So what exactly are home warranties and how do they work?
Yeah, so home warranties are 1-year service contracts. They're specifically for the systems and appliances inside the foundation of the home. And basically, we're going to take care of the things that have malfunctioned or failed due to normal wear and tear. So unlike a homeowner's insurance, which is more structural or takes care of things that, maybe have been caused by vandalism or, some acts of natural disaster, these are going to be things like systems, appliances that you use every day inside of your home that don't come with a manufacturer warranty. So do you want me to give you a little bit of the timeline on kind of what the service is and how to request it and just sort of an overview on how to request and what to expect?
Definitely how to request it and what to expect and how long do they last for as well.
Yeah, perfect. So it's a 1-year service contract that your clients can get during the escrow period to start as soon as the close of escrow date. So when they close on that property, that service contract is going to start. We do offer a 2-year plan as well, but 1 year is our most popular.
Yeah.
They're completely renewable. So if they don't purchase the 2 years up front during escrow, they can definitely renew each year as they go. Trust me, we will contact you for renewal.
Should always be reminded.
Absolutely. So the way that it kind of works is your clients would make a request for service by either calling into American Home Shield or going online to request the service. I recommend just going online to do it yourself. It's super simple, super easy, makes it streamlined. That way you're not on hold on the phone. So just go to hs.com, click request service from the home screen. And once you check off what actually needs service, you'll be assigned a technician within seconds. So your clients can literally just pick up the phone. These are all local techs that we have sourced in the area, and they have to stay working for us through a really rigorous rating scale.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah, so these are not, your handyman off the street. They have to be licensed, they have to be insured, and we keep a close watch on them to make sure that they're treating our clients right.
Oh, great. Order a home warranty through the closing process as well. So that's something you guys, if you purchase a home through me, it can all be handled through escrow as well.
Absolutely. Yeah, it can be handled through escrow. And then in the off chance things get busy towards the end, home warranty gets forgotten, you can still put it on up to 60 days after the close as well, with the same discounted rates that we offer during the escrow period.
Oh, that's great. Good to know.
Yeah. And then just sort of a timeline of service. I know this comes up a lot, just to kind of set the expectation up front for clients. So I'll just use the example of, say, a microwave, for instance.
Yeah.
So say your microwave goes out on a Monday. They call in to request the service through us. That microwave does have to be serviced the first time within a 48-hour period by our contractual timelines.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you're, if your clients reach out to you and you guys are getting any longer than a 48 period to get that initial call, Samantha can call me and we can make sure that we can get a technician out within that time frame. So he's going to come out, take a look at the microwave, let you know if it's something that, of course, can be repaired on the spot. That's what we hope can happen. But especially with appliances, a lot of times parts are needed. So that can be, you know, a few days to get those parts in. And quite honestly, with appliances specifically, parts are only made for really only 8 to 10 years. So if this is an older microwave, chances are it's going to have to be put into replacement options. Yeah. So, which necessarily is not a bad thing, right?
Yeah.
Getting a new microwave.
Exactly.
So, the technician will report back to American Home Shield, let us know which route it's going to go, whether it's going to need that repair or replacement. He'll either make a follow-up appointment to get that repair done and when that part comes in, or the appliance purchasing department of American Home Shield will reach out to your clients and let them know, hey, we're going to be replacing your microwave. Great news. Please provide us specifications on the current unit so that we can give you something that is going to be similar in features. Or if they want to cash out and upgrade to something else, that option's always there too. So we'll come back with a couple microwaves that are comparable. You can choose to go with that or take that cash out option and go wherever you want to replace that microwave.
So with the home warranty, how many options do you guys have, and exactly what do the different plans cover?
Yeah, so we have a couple different options. First one is actually seller's coverage. So this is going to be for your listings, for your clients that are selling. That's the first one I want to talk about. It's a great coverage option that's going to cover the systems in their home during that escrow period. And, you know, it's great because your clients are, you know, checking out of that home. They don't necessarily want to be putting in the thousands of dollars that it may take to replace something like a water heater. Yeah. So having a home warranty in place during the escrow period with the seller's coverage is always a good idea. On the buyer side, so once that home closes and the buyers choose a home warranty, we have 3 different options. So depending on the property and kind of what's needed, the 3 options would be our Shield Essential plan, which is kind of our most basic. That is going to cover the systems only. Okay. So very similar to our seller's coverage option, except it doesn't have a capped limit like the seller's does. Yeah. So that's going to be the air conditioning, the furnace, the water heater, electrical, plumbing, and ductwork that's covered under the Shield Essential. Great. So this is going to be for those properties that your clients maybe are going to be purchasing all new appliances. Maybe it's a full gut remodel type of situation.
Yeah, they don't have the appliances there yet.
Right. So they're not going to want that appliance coverage through us. Or if they know they're going to be buying new ones, those are going to come with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Yeah. So probably that plan would be the way to go. And then you can always upgrade year 2 to add on those appliance coverages at renewal time. So moving up from that is our Shield Plus plan. That is going to incorporate the appliance coverage to everything that's in the Shield Essential. So give you, you know, things like your refrigerator, your washer, your dryer, dishwasher, range oven, and cooktop. Garbage disposal as well is going to be in the Shield Plus plan. And then our Shield Complete is our most comprehensive. So that incorporates just a few additional items like ceiling fans, garage door, doorbell. Yeah, considered more of just a lower usage. Not a lot of claims come out of that category, but we still want it to offer as an all-comprehensive option. Yeah. And then price point wise, really the plans kind of range anywhere from $300 to $575 on the high end for that 1 year. If you do choose to get the 2 up front, it's about $100 discount.
Okay, always good to know.
Yeah.
Also on the seller's coverage, what would be your recommendation? Because a lot of people who put their home on the market, they already get inspections done. Is this something they should get before inspections, or is this something they can get after inspections?
Yeah, really good question. So seller's coverage is ideal to put on prior to the inspections. Right. So even if it's just 1 day before your inspections, we want to have that so that anything that pops up on that report can be taken care of by us as an unknown pre-existing condition. which is
Great.
really important.
Yes.
We're not going to ask for that inspection report, but if we need to fall back on it for whatever reason, something comes back that's questionable, we have that coverage in place one day prior, so we can then take care of it.
Oh, that's great to know.
Yeah. And the price point is, it's low. It's a prorated amount per day. So, in regards to what you're actually getting coverage wise, which is $2,000 is the cap of the seller's coverage, you're spending less than $1 a day to have that coverage in place.
That's great.
Mm-hmm.
Very good option to have.
Good.
So before we wrap up our interview, just wanted to know a bit more about what exactly Home Shield stands for, maybe a little bit about you as well.
Of course, yeah. So I have been the rep for American Home Shield for 7 years in this area. I love what I do. Really, American Home Shield has been around for 48 years. So we have brand stability. We've been around a long time doing home warranty. We started actually locally in the Bay Area, Santa Rosa, California.
Nice.
Now we're in every single state nationwide. And I think that really what's important is our motto at American Home Shield has always been do the right thing. So that's really what it comes down to, is our clients and wanting to help protect people's budgets when they purchase a new home. It can be expensive. We have a lot of money that, is put down to get into these homes, and we want to be there for the things that go wrong inside of them. I think that, something that sets us a little bit apart is our claim approval rate, because at the end of the day, what's most important about a home warranty company is, are they going to approve my claims? We're proud to actually publish that rate. It's 93% nationwide. Thank you so much. I think that, it's important to go with a company that not only, stands up and promises that we're going to take care of these things, but actually has the numbers behind it to prove it.
That's great.
Thanks.
Well, thank you again for coming in.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me or Kim Pratt with American Home Shield.
Yep. Happy to help anytime.